Again, my name is Brian. This has been another episode of Brian's Republic, home of the Game Overs. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Whew. Oh. Who is it?
It's your brother, Darian.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
I know how to stream computer games, but how do I use my computer to stream video games?
I thought you'd never ask. So you've decided to start streaming all of your console games with a video capture card like this one, an Elgato Game Capture HD. Right now in 2019, the newest version of this is the Elgato Game Capture HD 60S. So what does this specific game capture card do? Well, it takes the audio and video from the HDMI cable from your video game console, splits it to the television that you're going to be playing it on, and also putting it into your computer for your stream machine. So it'll work on all of your Xbox One consoles, your Xbox 360, your mini versions of the Nintendo Entertainment Systems and Super NES, also the Nintendo Switch. It'll work on your PS4 as well, but it won't work on your PlayStation 3, which we will touch on a little bit later. But this is how it is. You're going to need one of these babies here. You're going to need to connect it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to find the HDMI out of your console and put it into the HDMI in of your game capture. And after you've done that, you're going to need to take the HDMI out, get another cable, put an HDMI out of here and put it into your television. After you've done that, you're going to need to get your USB cable. You're going to put your USB cable with the USB here. There's an attachment here, and you click it in, put that in there, and put that into your computer. In that point, your computer will detect it, and you'll have to install some software so that it can recognize your capture card as a video device, which will then be translated into video on your streaming software. So another small caveat about streaming your consoles is the delay in your audio when you're playing your video games. The video capture card when you're streaming the game. When you're listening to the capture card on your computer, let's try it again. And the part where, no, I'm not saying it right.
Hi, it's Brian's brother, Darian. Now, he had a little bit of trouble with this part, so let me explain it. So when you connect your HDMI into the Elgato, it splits it into the computer and the television. Now, when you're listening through your headphones, from the computer as you stream, the audio will be a little delayed. And so as you stream, this can be a little disorienting as the video and audio don't match up. So there are some workarounds to this issue. One being an HDMI audio de-embedder, and the other being an audio splitter or converter. So for the simpler of the two, you have the audio converter, which takes the red and white RCA components from the back of your television or audio device and converts it into a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now for people without RCA outs on their television, you'll have to use an HDMI audio de-embedder. Now with that, basically you plug your HDMI cable into the de-embedder and it'll strip that video of its audio, and from there you can plug in your headphones right into it and listen through there. So there is one tiny issue with this, and that's for those of you who want to monitor your own audio through your computer. Basically, you'll have your computer audio and your television audio, and well, to listen to that, you'll have to use two headphones. But that's basically it. So let's get back to the video.
There is one small caveat though. There is one old gosh-forsaken system which I had to try and do when I first started streaming. You will need to go out and ensure that you're not streaming a PlayStation 3 because you're going to have some issues with that. But there are workarounds to it. There is a breakout cable which you can use with component video or S-Video, and you can capture your video that way with the PS3. Any of the older consoles, there should be an ability to do that, but it's not going to be with this sucker. You're going to probably have to find a older version of, I guess, a video capture card. The one that I used to use was a Hauppauge video capture system. It would capture component video, and let me tell you, that stuff's gonna go ancient very soon. So hopefully we were able to show you how that looked like. It is really, really simple. You just have to download the drivers, turn on your favorite streaming software, and hit that go live button. So guys, there you have it. That is my video on video capture cards. There are video capture cards that look like this. There are some that you can install into your PC, and there are other makers out there that, aside from Elgato, that do this type of thing. If you guys want me to do any reviews on any of those things, please let me know in the description down below. If you want, hit that like button if you like the video, hit that subscribe button if you want more, and hopefully that notification button so you know when we upload another video. Again, my name is Brian. This has been another episode of Brian's Republic, home of the game overs. We'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers.